If you're a construction professional or DIY enthusiast, a reliable laser level is an essential tool for accurate and precise leveling, aligning, and measuring. In this video, we'll be showcasing the top 5 laser levels available in the market that are specifically designed for construction purposes. We'll highlight their features, performance, and durability to help you make an informed decision. Don't forget to check the links in the description box for more information on the featured laser levels. Let's dive in and find the perfect laser level for your construction needs. CIGMAN CM701 Laser Level. The CIGMAN CM701 laser level is a high-quality leveling tool designed for both DIY enthusiasts and professional users. This laser level has a high-visibility green laser, providing up to 4x brighter lines than red laser levels. It's suitable for outdoor settings with a working distance of up to 100 feet. This laser level offers a 3x360 degfold layout, with one horizontal line and 2 vertical lines that cover all around the room. Each button on the laser level corresponds to a single laser line, allowing you to easily turn on/off any laser line as needed for your project. The remote control adds convenience to your alignment job, making it simple and fast. It is also self-leveling within 4 degrees, thanks to its pendulum system. If the laser level is outside of this range, it will flash to indicate that it needs to be adjusted. The pendulum can also be locked to switch to manual mode, allowing you to align the laser level at different angles to meet your specific needs. The CIGMAN CM701 laser level features Type-C charging, eliminating the need for batteries. It comes with a portable bag, magnetic L-base, mini tripod base, remote control, laser target plate, Type-C cable, and user manual. Backed by a 36-month after-sales service and lifetime technical support, it offers peace of mind and excellent customer service. IKOVWUK B112 Laser Level. Whether you're working on home decoration, wall construction, bridge construction, engineering construction, or railway construction, the IKOVWUK B112 Laser Level is a reliable and efficient tool that will help you achieve precise and professional results. With its 3x360 degfold layout, it provides a horizontal line and 2 vertical lines that cover all around the room, allowing for efficient and precise leveling work. The large-capacity 5200 mAh battery ensures extended working time of up to 8 hours, and the battery indicator alerts you when the power is low. The self-leveling mode automatically levels the laser within 3 degrees, while the manual leveling mode allows for flexibility in placing the laser at any angle. It also features a pulse mode, which can be switched to weaker lasers for increased visibility in various indoor and outdoor environments. The package includes a charger, a L-shaped magnetic bracket, a metal sheet, a laser target plate, a user manual, and a portable storage bag for convenience and ease of use. The 18 months manufacturer warranty provides peace of mind, and the after-sales service ensures customer satisfaction. DOVOH K4360G Laser Level. The DOVOH K4360G Laser Level is a high-quality leveling tool that offers impressive accuracy and durability. The self-leveling and manual mode options allow for flexibility in leveling tasks, and the unique mode switching design ensures that the pendulum is locked before turning off the laser level to avoid pendulum swing during transport. Featuring 16 lines in 4D, this laser level provides 2x360 deg horizontal and 2x360 deg vertical plane lasers, making it ideal for various tasks such as tiling, drop ceiling installation, and square layout. The high-precision Axicon component ensures consistently high accuracy of the leveling laser beam, and the durable housing with rubber edge and aluminum alloy protective cover ensures reliable performance even in tough construction environments. It also offers pulse mode for outdoor use, which can be used with a 10Ks receiver not included, to extend the working range up to 197 feet/60 meters. The dual 7.4 V2000 600 mAh lithium rechargeable batteries provide over 6 hours of working time with all 16 lines fully opened, and the provided charger with USB-C cable allows for convenient charging with various power sources. The DOVOH K4360G Laser Level also comes with a target plate, metal protective cover, and multifunctional magnetic bracket for added versatility and ease of use. With a 5-year accuracy warranty and 2-year warranty for quality issues, DOVOH is committed to providing reliable performance to its customers. HILDA M04 Laser Level. The HILDA M04 laser level is a high-quality precision tool that offers a wide range of features for accurate leveling and alignment tasks. It features a 3x360° laser tool for easy coverage of the entire room, with one horizontal and two vertical lines, simplifying overall layout tasks. Individual selection of the three laser lines adds flexibility and convenience for different applications. It has self-leveling and manual mode capabilities. In self-leveling mode, it automatically levels within plus or minus 4 degrees and triggers an alarm if the tilt exceeds this range for precise leveling. Manual mode can be activated for use in any angle without triggering the alarm, providing added versatility. The HILDA M04 laser level also comes with a 1/4 tripod thread and a magnetic base with 1/4 and 5/8 threads, making it compatible with standard tripods or laser mounting poles. The magnetic base allows for 360 degrees rotation, making it ideal for tasks such as laying tiles, hanging wallpaper, painting, and more. It features a high-visibility green laser that is 2 times brighter than red lasers, providing clear lines even in varying lighting conditions. With a working distance of up to 100 feet, it is suitable for indoor and outdoor projects. The package includes protective glasses, lead-ion battery, battery charger, magnetic L-base, user manual, and a portable bag for convenient storage and transport. TAKAMINE GM120S laser level. The TAKAMINE GM120S laser level is a precision tool designed for construction professionals and DIY enthusiasts. It features 3x360° green laser lines, providing complete coverage for floors, walls, and ceilings. The horizontal and vertical lines intersect at a 90 degrees angle, allowing for quick and accurate square layout in various projects. One of the key features of this laser level is its versatility in installation methods. It comes with a 1/4 mounting thread for tripod or mounting pole, as well as a 360 degrees free rotating base that can be adjusted to desired angles. The patented universal bracket allows for easy fixing to walls using magnets or screws, making it suitable for a wide range of applications. It uses a high-quality green laser diode, providing excellent brightness and stability. It is twice as bright as red lasers, making it easily visible even in bright lighting conditions. It offers a working range of up to 130 feet and accuracy of 33 feet 1/9 inch for precise measurements in different environments. Its outdoor pulse mode extends the range to 200 feet when used with the TAKAMINE line laser receiver. It boasts convenient features like a remote control for easy calibration, fast Type-C charging, and a large capacity 5,200 mAh lithium-ion battery for extended working hours. Its durable design includes a tough, drop-resistant window and IP54 waterproof/dust-proof rating for reliable performance in challenging conditions. That's a wrap on our video featuring the best laser levels for construction. We hope you found our recommendations helpful in your search for a reliable laser level. Thanks for watching.